lost in night, in the wood, shadows fight. Arms take gold, can't take flight. Power's gone, nothing's right. Cauldron cold, no more fire. Potions fail, dreams expire. Spirits whisper, call me liar. In the dark, lost desire. Purchase cry, echo loud. Through the fog, through the shroud. Mystic force, once so proud, now just whispers in the crowd.
Babaylan TV.
Hello po, Cancer. Welcome po sa inyong bonus reading for February the 8th to February the 14th. Para sa mga bago, hindi po ito late. Meron na pong February the 8th to February the 14th bago pa mag-February the 8th. So, this is just a bonus, no? This will be an update. It might be a continuation if you resonate, but then again, hindi po ito late. Nandun po sa playlist yung February the 8th to February the 14th. Ayan, para po sa mga bago ulit, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, meron na po dun sa ating unang channel, which is Babaylan TV. Meron na pong February the 8th to February the 14th reading, no? Ibang reading po yon, and nagla-live din po tayo doon. Pwede kayong sumali. So, kung hindi kayo nakaka-resonate dito, baka nandun ang inyong reading. So, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire session or baka konti lang, no? That depends on your situation. Take what's only yours. Magsimula na tayo. Cancer. Siguro ngayon you're taking your power back. What I'm trying to say here is siguro you were manipulated by other people na hindi ka kamahal-mahal, hindi ka maganda, no? You're not capable of things. Pwedeng ito'y buhay sa pag-ibig, sa inyong career, also finances, sometimes chances are ito yung sa buhay, pamilya din. No, ang masakit kasi niyan, batin ko lang agad, yung sa family relationship. Sometimes kung sino pa yung ating kadugo, no? Sila pa yung minsan magsasabi sa iyo na hindi ka naman maganda, ang kapal naman ng labi mo, ang pangit ng buhok mo, no, dry. Which is, sige, sabihin natin may katotohanan. Pero kasi 'di ba sometimes family dapat uplifted each other. For sure, na meron maganda, no, na meron kang magandang katangian. Instead of highlighting those beauties of yours, mas na-highlight yung imperfections. Wala naman taong perfecto, no? Lahat yan may mga flaws. But it felt like yung na-highlight dito is yung mga hindi kaaya-aya, no? Bakit hindi i-highlight yung magaling ka mag-drawing, no? Hindi natin i-highlight yung kahit naman hindi maganda yung buhok ko, no? Siguro maganda naman yung bone structure ko, no? Or yung mata ko, no? Yung pilik mata ko. I feel like when it comes to relationship naman, romantic, parang naku, ang taba-taba mo naman, no? Or tumaba ka na, mukha ka ng losyang, no? Or wala namang ibang especially ito yung mga manipulative, no? Yung mga narcissist persons na linyahan, yung walang ibang magmamahal sa iyo, walang ibang taong magtsatsaga, no? Sa iyo kung hindi ako lang. So magpasalamat kang nandito ako. So yung mga ganon, no? When it comes to trabaho naman, baka sinasabi mo na ako magpasalamat ka nga, no, na tinanggap ka namin kahit na hindi ka magaling mag-perform or kahit na may kakulangan sa'yo, no? Especially for those PWDs na medyo na take advantage, no? Itong kanilang mga hindi naman ang kanilang kakulangan, di ba? Pero sa ibang bagay, yung kakulangan na yun, may sobra naman. Especially when it comes, kulang man sila sa ibang parte ng katawan. Pero the dedication, no, is more than 100%. So, it felt like to you with the Four of Swords, nakakapagod naman yung mga ganitong mga komento, to a point na sometimes siguro naniwala ka at one point in time, no, na siguro nga oo, kaya siguro hindi ako umuunlad or kaya siguro no, merong mga tao na nagsasabi sa'yo 'no, ay pinanganak kang malas, kakambal mo ang malas. So, there may be some situations that brings up challenges in you. Hindi naman kasi araw-araw Pasko. Kahit naman yung kahit sinong, successful na tao, dumadaan din yan sa mga challenges. Pero yung sa'yo, kasi parang may gatong, no, ginagatungan. Naku, kasalanan mo yan kasi ganito, ganyan, ganyan. Kasalanan mo yan kasi nagwawalis ka sa gabi, no, yung ganyan. Inaano mo yung malas, ang tawag doon, tinataboy mo yung malas. Madumi na no? Kung ipisin, kung dagain, hindi ba tayo, kung magkasakit, maihian, no? Hindi ba tayo magiging malas? So, with the Princess of Cups, hinahanap mo dito yung pagmamahal, yung kalinga, yung sabihin nating attention, no? From the person na sana yung pinagkukunan natin ng lakas, no? Siguro sometimes we probably mention it with the Eight of Wands, no? Sinasabi natin or baka pinopost na lang natin kung ano yung nararamdaman natin. Sometimes it might not be through communications via post. Siguro dinadaan natin yan sa pakikinig ng music, no? Kaya siguro, ay ano ba yung mga pinapakinggan mo? Ang lukot-lukot naman. People may have, don't know na this is your coping up to release the emotion that you are kind of feeling. Now, with the Eight of Wands, probably dinadaan mo siya sa paintings, what have you, no? To a point wherein siguro kinakausap mo na lang yung sarili mo. And I think that is healthy, kausapin yung sarili. No? Wag mo lang din sagutin yung sarili mo dun sa pag sumagot na yung sarili mo sa salamin, ayan, medyo iba ngayon, ha? With the Four of Swords at the Tower. The Tower moment, I think that this is a good representation kasi pinanghinaan ka ng loob, no, nawala ang kumpiyansa sa sarili, minaliit ang sarili, nag-self-pity tayo. Pero ganun pa bang kahit nandiyan yung tower moment, this is also a representation of, let's say, pagbabago, a representation of reinvention. So, siguro nandito ka na, no, yung parang a phoenix, that's yung, kasi ang phoenix kasi pag namatay yan, no, parang magiging ash siya. So from the ashes, tsaka pa lang ito, magkakaroon ng rebirth as a fiery, strong, entity, the bird itself. No? With the Princess of Cups, sinahanap natin dito yung strength natin. Alam natin meron tayong strength. Hindi pwedeng wala. No? So kung merong cancer, kung merong mga taong nagsasabing, hanggang dyan ka lang. Baka sila yon hindi ikaw. No? Baka yun yung tingin nila sa sarili nila, hindi sa'yo. No? Huwag mong i-adapt yung sa'yo kasi alam mong meron ka magagawa, alam mong capable ka, alam mong kakayanin, no? Ito mga challenges na ito. And with the Ten of Cups. So parang kung hindi mo mahanap sa iba, itong pagmamahal mo, edi ibigay mo sa sarili mo, kaysa ibigay mo din sa kanila. What I'm trying to say is, siguro, no, probably people might learn from things if you give them a dose of their own medicine, no? Hindi ko sinasabing gumante, hindi ko sinasabing, maging marahas, no? Pero probably this is a reciprocation wherein give what you're getting, no? Kung hindi naman nila maibigay sa'yo, ibigay mo sa sarili mo, no? You deserve to be loved, you deserve to be accepted, you deserve to be embraced, no? Siguro this is also a reading for an LGBTQIA+, no? Meron tayong tinatawag na identity crisis din. Meron din tayong sexual preferences. Probably we might be in a situation that cuts between morality, religion, self-expression, what have you. So, things piled up and it will never go complement each other. You probably need to choose what you believe in, no? Wala namang masama. Whatever you believe, and as long as, no, hindi tayo makakasakit ng kapwa, I think that's good, and makakabuti para sa'yo. Now, with the Five of Cups, siguro sinabi mo ito no, sa sarili mo na sana pala nagsalita ako before, sana pala na-express ko yung mga damdamin ko dati, no? So parang ngayon, inaabuso, sinosobrahan, no? Porket hindi ako umaaray dati, so ngayon, okay lang. Hindi ko sinasabing na, siguro nandito na yung init sa puso mo, parang sinasabi mo, aping-api na ako, no? Hindi na pwede ito yung ganito lang ang tingin sa akin, no? Kasi parang feeling nilalang lang ako, no? Tao din ako. With the passion in your heart ignited, a revolution wherein, pero parang sinasabi natin, I need to reinvent myself to become a bigger person, to become a better me, to a new version of me with the Six of Wands. So parang ginagawa mo na ito. So whether it is by physical, manifestations of transformation, nagpa-rebond, no? What do you call this? Nagpapatan or nagpapaputi. You're doing everything that you can to the extent of pwedeng sigurong enhancement when it comes to undergoing surgeries, no? Wala namang masama dyan. Basta safe, kaya mo, may pera, hindi ka nangutang, do whatever you want. With the Moon card and the Seven of Swords, alam mo, ang sinasabi dito, there are influence of other people that lurking in your head na, yun nga, paniwala ka. So, with the Seven of Swords, there may be some toxicity or there are toxic people around you. It could also be your family members. It could also be your person itself, no, yung friends mo na walang ginawa kung hindi pagtawanan ka, no, pag-usapan ka right after hindi ka naman na nila kausap, no. So parang ikaw ang pulutan, ikaw ang topic kapag wala ka. No, with the King of Pentacles and the King of Swords. So from being stuck, from being giving, I think that this is the time for you to move forward. Move forward in a way kasi kinulong ka sa isang, sabihin nating pantasya, sa isang ilusyon, sa isang bagay na hindi para sa'yo. You are being placed in a box wherein hanggang nililimitahan ka. So this is the time for you to be free. This is the time for you to break free, no? Dito sa mga tao, sitwasyon, bagay, paniniwala na hindi, na parang kinukulong ka sa isang lugar na hindi ka naman belong, no? With the Temperance, I think that you are trying to escape. That's why nandito na nga rin itong sinasabi nating revolutionary love, no, when it comes to yourself. You're trying to attempt to love yourself more with the Ace of Cups, and I am seeing na magwawagi ka dito. The crown is yours. Sabihin natin nasa iyo ang huling halakhak, nasa iyo itong sabihin natin. Ang pagbabago kasi nasa sayo yan no? Wala sa ibang tao. What I am seeing in here is the Six of Swords. Pagpatuloy mo lang yung mga ginagawa mo. As long as, again, inject the morality, no? Kasi ang nakikita natin dito, wag naman sana mag-cross tayo ng boundary ng higante, no? Higante na makakapanakit tayo. Pero I don't think that Cancer, you can do that. Because what you're trying to, kumbaga, i-achieve dito is yung pagbabago na makakabuti para sa atin, no? Again, kung hindi kayang ibigay ng iba, baka pwede mong ibigay sa sarili mo, no? Kahit yung attention, pagmamahal. So, let's get some more cards here. Cancer, papaalala ko lang po na doon po sa ating live sessions sa Babaylan TV, pwede po kayo magtanong. So, kung hindi po kayo nakaka-resonate dito, baka nandun po ang inyong reading. Ayan. Kung hindi nyo po naaabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. And kung di po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no lang na sagot, dumiretso na po kayo dun sa ating website. There's a link dito po sa ating description box. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information. Nandun po yung question form, amount per question, nakalista na rin po doon. Name, number, QR code for your reference. And please take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1. So that's already a discounted price. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So, Cancer, you light up my world. I think that you are also becoming an inspiration to those people na may sariling pinagdadaanan, somehow similar to you, or probably you're looking up to someone na merong similar experience sa'yo. But one thing's for sure, eto na ang pagbabago, taking back your crowd, no? So, idire-diretso lang yan. Let's get the message from the universe. Your life is about to start moving quickly in some areas. Event that seems to have been on hold suddenly properly propel forward. Move with the flow and be mindful of what needs your attentions most. Make decisions rationally but sensibly. Ito nga, no, sinasabi ko. So, nagpo-propel na, umaayos na, umaandar na, kumbaga sa engine, umiinit na, no, paandar na itong iyong journey towards the greatness of yours, no. Just make sure lang na ang magiging decision natin ay nasa tama, sensible, no, yung meron tayong pagkalinga din sa kapwa, no, anong tawag dito, yung konsiderasyon, no, hindi lang basta-basta yung basta makapagbago, no, kung meron naman nasasaktan. But again, like what I mentioned earlier, hindi ito yung goal mo. Ang goal mo lang dito is maialis ang sarili mo sa isang sitwasyon na parang hindi ka naman binibigyan ng halaga, no? So, let's get the zodiac sign of your person. Now, this can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I am seeing Sagittarius, Pisces, Leo, Taurus, no? Scorpio, Cancer. Baka kapwa Cancer ito. Yeah, so this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na live or susunod na readings. Goodbye.